So the old man gave it to her and he cohabited with his daughter-in-law by the roadside and made her pregnant. And she bore twins, Fares and Zara. There's a long detail about it, long story. Very spicy reading. I didn't know at one time that all these things were in the Holy Bible. I was looking for the other books, called The Arabian Nights, the unexpurgated edition by Fitzgerald. And I got it and I read it, But I didn't know that for 2 and 6, 25 cents, I could have got the Bible and I could have got something more spicy than in the Arabian Nights. I didn't know that. You must know. You see? So 10 cases of incest in the book of God. Book of God, for what purpose is God telling you all this? That father and daughters, father-in-law and daughter-in-law, brother and sister, son and mother. For what reason? Why is he telling you all this? Now, the type of stories that you read naturally creates the type of mentality that you have. This is a foregone thing. If you eat junky foods, you become a junkie. If you read filthy, dirty stuff, your mind becomes filthy and dirty. What you are seeing, reading, you act it out. That is how pornography works. So, in this holy book, there is a beautiful chapter, the highest form of pornography that you can think of. In my country, my government banned extracts from the Bible. It's a very strong government, very Christian. Of course, it has this unjust policy of apartheid, but religiously, it's one of the most religious communities of the Christians in the world. Some of the things that I can buy here, your Playboy magazine and something else like that from Kennedy Airport or from Chicago. I land in South Africa and I go to jail for 2 years. That's how strict my government is. Very Christian-like in its morality, its ethics. Now, somebody had published a pamphlet with 9 extracts from the Holy Bible, without adding, without deleting anything. 9 extracts from the Holy Bible. And this was somebody sent it to the publications board, and the publications board declared this undesirable, means banned. And there were 2 priests on the board when they banned this. But these poor priests, they didn't know that it was from their own holy book. They didn't know it. Can you imagine? Verses from the Bible, 9 extracts banned. My country, for one word, a 1 4-letter word, they had banned a book called Lady Chatterley's Lover. One word, one offensive word. For 20 years, the book was on the banned list. They have rebanned it. Now they're grown up now, more mature. They said, now I think the people are mature enough to read it. That one word. Here are 9 extracts which are undesirable. We say on the same basis, you should ban the Holy Bible. But of course, they live by it, they take an oath by it. So it's very, very difficult. But they have done the job. They've given it to us that this is undesirable. Pornography of the highest order. George Bernard Shaw, a British playwright, he says, the most dangerous book on earth. He says, keep it under lock and key. Your children must not have access to it. The Plain Truth magazine, the Armstrong family, here, American. They are printing 8,080,000 a month for free distribution. The Armstrong family, Plain Truth. They, in one of the magazines, they say that many a censor will give this Bible an X rating, cross. Many a censor. Book of God. Is it the book of God? I dare any Christian, I say, come forward and read it to your audience, to your congregation. Read it. No decent man can read it to his mother, his sister, his daughter, or even to his fiancée if she is a good woman. You can't read it. If God Almighty was not ashamed to reveal such filth and dirt, I'm asking, why should you be ashamed? Are you holier than God? Can you ever be holier than the Almighty? Can you be? That's what it means. If God spoke those things, wrote those things, dictated those things, which I dare not read it to you, book of God, that you are ashamed to utter to your congregation? He says no. So there are cases and cases, from his own writings, which we can prove that, look, this is not the book of God.